Hillsdale College was founded on the frontier in 1844, and it was founded by a bunch of Free Will Baptist preachers who came out here on the frontier to start a college.
They were very serious about high learning and about the perpetuation of freedom, and very much founded the school to admit from its beginning people of any race, both sexes. So it was pretty radical.
Hillsdale College has stuck by what it was founded to do since the beginning. And the thing it was founded to do, it's really a set of four things, but they make one thing together. We're interested in God, and we're interested in character, and we're interested in freedom, and we're interested in learning, and learning of a very high kind. And so we keep those things in mind all the time. So we start with that. And then through a long history, full of good times, but also full of the three worst wars in American history, the Civil War and the First and Second World Wars, through the Great Depression, through vast changes in the country, it has clung to those original purposes, and they are beautiful.